Hey, hi there. Today I'm gonna talk very important topic. Basically, how to accomplish your goal faster in 2022. If you are really eager to know how to accomplish your goals faster in 2022, this session is only for you, and I will be elaborating everything step by step. So welcome my channel, I'm Shobit Dotto. Let's get started. Are you really wondering how to accomplish your goals, whichever you already have decided in 2022? If you are, this session will be very helpful for you. Before I am getting into that topic, I do say one another thing. I made lots of playlists regarding YouTube related, communication, English communication related, and so on, which will be very important for those viewers who are really eager to grab the knowledge. If you are new on the channel, I do recommend you have to subscribe in order to get updated while I upload any video. So with that, I will be starting my topic and I directly jump into the main topic. So how to accomplish your goal in 2022, whatever you have already decided. So it's a basic simple thing which actually I used to follow also. The thing is that whenever you really want to dive deep in any program, at that point of time you need to understand what the program would be, and according to that you need to make the proper plan to accomplish the goal by the particular time. So if I do say in layman, then I would say you will have to clear thinking about the program, what the technique you do have to dedicate so that you could be able to finish on time that particular project. For instance, if I get any program or project, I have to analyze what program would be, when it will be finished. Basically, I have to aware of the deadline, and according to the deadline, I have to dedicate myself on that particular program. At first, what I used to do, basically I think the particular big program in discrete manner. Suppose whatever I got the program, this program should have to finish by 1 month. Then I have to utilize all of the things in proper way so that it could be finished on the time. Such as, at first my target would be in a week, rather whole of the month. So basically what I do, I cut the program in discrete manner and pick the short target to complete the particular program by the week. After I achieve that goal in that week, then I will move another part of the program, and in that manner I do finish whole of the program by the end of the month. So in that way I usually used to do complete anything whichever I have decided. So in the same manner, if I do decide I have to complete the goal in 2022, then also I used to follow in this theory. I always try to make discrete way. Suppose my goal is big, so I usually used to think in discrete manner and target the short-term program in order to achieve the big program. So that's my usually target. Suppose if I got any program for 1 month, then I usually used to think how to achieve in a week the particular small part of the program in order to get the whole program by the end of the month. So that's why I have to focus first in the week. Even my target would be in the day basis so that I could be able to finish that particular short-term goal by the end of the week. In that manner, I easily come up with the solution by the end of the month on that particular program. I think now you can understand very clearly. So in that manner, you can easily achieve your goal, your basically whatever you have decided in 2022, you can easily achieve by that period. So what you have to do, you have to think properly and you have to target the short-term goal, and in a sum up, all of the short-term goal would be a big goal by the time period. So in that way you can easily achieve all of the goals whatever you have decided. I think you easily understood what actually I'm trying to say. So usually I used to follow that, and that's why the session basically is dedicated for that. So that's all. If you have any question, feel free to share in the comment box below. I will definitely attend all of your comments and I will definitely reply back. If you have any suggestion regarding anything else, you can pin me in the comment box. And I literally wanted to know what's my negative point. It's very important. I urge you, if you have encountered any of my negative point of view in terms of the way of communication, in terms of the way of set the video setup, anything else, whatever you have mind, just feel free to share in the comment box below so that I can cultivate myself. That's my request for all of us. And if you really like this session, I do request you please do like the session, share as much as you can, and please subscribe. So with that, I will wrap up. I will be back soon with another new session. Till then, stay healthy, stay focused. Goodbye everyone.